Хей, меня зовут Андрей Трухин, я номер 1. Уже 88 дней подряд я читаю куплет Эминема в разных местах, и сегодня я сделаю это возле памятника Николаю Чудотворцу во время звона колоколов в Вознесенском соборе. Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, there's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over. Blow, snap back to reality. Oh, the ghost gravity. Oh, the ghost rabbit, he choked. He's so mad but he won't give up, that is he know. He won't have it, he knows. He's hold back to these ropes, it don't matter, he's dope. He knows that but he's broke, he's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lap again. Yo, this old rhapsody, he better go capture this moment and hope and don't pass him. Lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You would lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You would you can do anything you set your mind to, man. Ты можешь делать все, на что настроишь свой мозг. Тебе нужно только не забывать следовать за своей мечтой и закручивать событийность.